In the modern digital workspace, our tools are increasingly isolated. We have powerful software for every task, yet they rarely communicate effectively with one another. This is the challenge of the digital silo. While APIs have promised a solution, they are often restricted, complex to implement, or non-existent for the legacy tools we rely on every day. This gap has created a massive amount of manual, repetitive work. Enter OpenClaw, an open-source framework designed to break these silos by allowing AI to operate computers exactly like we do, through the user interface itself. It doesn't ask for a backdoor entrance. It simply sees the screen, moves the cursor, and types commands, effectively turning the AI into a digital operator. I'm your host for the AI Feed. Today we're doing a comprehensive 8-minute deep dive into OpenClaw. We'll cover the architecture, the setup, and multiple real-world workflows that will redefine your productivity. To master this tool, you must first understand its architecture. OpenClaw functions as a bridge, translating high-level reasoning from an AI model into low-level OS commands. The system uses advanced computer vision to parse your screen's visual state. It identifies buttons, input fields, and icons with the precision required for complex multi-step tasks. This visual data is fed into a reasoning model like Claude or GPT-4, which analyzes the current state and determines the next logical action to achieve your specific goal. This creates a continuous feedback loop. The AI acts, observes the result on screen, and adjusts its strategy in real time. This is why it can handle dynamic pages that break standard bots. Setting up the environment is your next step. You'll need a clean Python installation and the OpenClaw repository. It's designed to be modular and highly customizable for developers. The brain of your agent comes from your LLM provider. Once you've integrated your API keys, you can begin defining the operational boundaries and safety constraints for your agent. A critical security note: because OpenClaw has direct desktop access, we strongly recommend running these experiments inside a dedicated virtual machine or a secondary isolated environment. Let's dive into our first demonstration: high-volume market research. We've tasked the agent with finding every AI video tool released in the last quarter. The agent navigates multiple directories, technical blogs, and product hunt pages. It isn't just following a list. It is searching, evaluating, and filtering results based on quality. It reads through technical specs, user reviews, and pricing models across dozens of tabs, synthesizing the data as it goes into a coherent research document. What's impressive is the discernment. The agent can summarize complex feature sets and identify competitive advantages that a simple keyword search would miss entirely. In demonstration 2, we tackle pricing intelligence. This is often a nightmare of hidden menus and annual versus monthly billing variations. We've asked the agent to navigate 5 different competitor sites, extract their enterprise pricing tiers, and normalize the data into a single cost-per-user metric. It handles cookie consent banners, marketing pop-ups, and live chat interruptions without losing focus. This resilience is what makes agentic automation so superior to old-school scraping. What would take a human hours of frustrating clicking is finished in minutes. This allows for daily competitive tracking that was previously cost-prohibitive. Demonstration 3 moves to the desktop. We are asking OpenClaw to perform an end-to-end administrative workflow: invoice processing and organization. The agent identifies unorganized invoices in a downloads folder, opens them to extract the vendor name and total, and sorts them into a year-month folder structure. It then opens your accounting spreadsheet and enters the data line by line. This is cross-app orchestration happening without a single API call. This is the end of manual drudgery. By automating the mechanical tasks of moving data between apps, you free up your mental energy for the high-level analysis that actually matters. Of course, with great power comes the need for a framework of trust. Delegating control to an agent requires clear guidelines and rigorous security protocols. OpenClaw emphasizes human-in-the-loop interaction. You can set it to ask for permission before taking high-stakes actions like sending an email or making a purchase. We are delegating authority to these systems. This requires a new understanding of accountability and clear guidelines on what an agent can and cannot do on our behalf. We are witnessing the transition from generative AI, which creates things, to agentic AI, which does things. This shift will redefine every professional field. Eventually, these capabilities won't be external tools. They will be native features of every operating system, providing a seamless layer of intelligence over all our digital lives. Why this matters? In the coming decade, your primary job will shift from being an operator of software to being an orchestrator of multiple AI agents. The professionals who thrive will be those who can design agentic workflows, manage digital teams, and troubleshoot the intersection of human and machine agency. The OpenClaw community is growing rapidly. The roadmap includes better local vision models and more efficient reasoning loops to reduce latency and operational costs. The ultimate goal is frictionless computing, a world where the machine understands your intent and executes the task, allowing you to remain in a state of deep creative flow. OpenClaw is your first real step into that world. It is open, it is powerful, and it is ready for you to experiment with today. It marks the beginning of the end for manual software operation. Go to the repository, look at the documentation, and start building your own agentic workflows. The future of automation is in your hands, waiting for your instruction. The era of the digital operator is just beginning. Make sure you're the one conducting the orchestra, not just another instrument in the noise. This is only the beginning. Stay informed. This is the AI feed. I look forward to seeing the workflows you create. A special thanks to the open source community behind OpenClaw. Your contributions are making the future of agentic AI a reality for everyone. If you found this masterclass valuable, subscribe to the AI feed. We will continue to bring you the most practical and strategic insights into the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. Stay ahead of the curve. This is the AI feed, signing off.